In today's video, we will demonstrate the process of withdrawing credit balances from your Temu account. In this scenario, let's assume you have a Temu account with a credit balance. You may be wondering how to withdraw these funds so that you can use them on other platforms or for other purposes. To begin, we must determine if such a withdrawal is possible. I am currently on the Temu app, where they have an article that addresses this very question. One of their FAQs asks, "Can I withdraw cash from my credit points?" Unfortunately, the article explicitly states that it is not possible to withdraw your credit balance from Temu. As Temu is currently structured, withdrawing credit balances is not an available option. However, there is a positive aspect to credit balances in Temu. They do not expire. This means that you can use them at a later date, even a year from now, if you wish to make a purchase on Temu. The drawback, however, is that you cannot withdraw these funds and can only use them within the platform itself. In summary, while it is not possible to withdraw credit balances from Temu, you can still utilize them for future purchases within the platform.